Ever feel like you're doing everything right, but still not healing? In fact, over 70% of patients with chronic symptoms report doing multiple things, doing the supplements, diets, therapy, meditation, yet still feel very stuck. So, what's the problem? No integration. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Dr. Erica Steele. I'm a board certified naturopathic doctor. I hold 7 degrees in my field, all in the natural healthcare space. And video is a part of week 12 of Intro to Holistic Medicine, course one. So, Intro to Holistic Medicine 1. And I don't just teach you what to do, I actually show you how to integrate this into your life so that you can create a holistic lifestyle, because that's really what it's all about. It's not just about more doing, it's really about being. So this week is all about integration. Healing does not happen from doing more. In fact, the more that you do, you send your nervous system in that fight or flight state. And if you're in that fight or flight state, you're never going to be able to heal, because healing actually lives in rest and digest. And so when you're absorbing information constantly and you're getting this and you're getting that and you're consuming this and you're consuming that, but not really digesting and processing what you've learned, the nervous system tends to feel overwhelmed. So, in order to be in this state of change, you really have to slow down and be more present. I often tell my patients, you can't put your health on a to-do list. And it can be really frustrating at times because, we want to get better and we want to heal, but we can't heal from a state of fear. We can't heal from a state of panic. We can't heal from, the high anxiety. So we must slow down and fully be present in order to integrate what we're actually learning. Integration is when the transformation truly becomes embodied, when we take the information out of our head, moving it into our hearts, and then fully being in action every single day by building healthy habits. So if you're hustling and you're healing, you definitely are not going to see the shifts that you need. So maybe it's time to slow down and let the magic of holistic medicine really work for you. If you want to learn more about how you can integrate a holistic health lifestyle, you don't have to be a practitioner to join the course. It is a self-paced course. Intro to Holistic Medicine number 1 talks all about nutrition. We look at subjective data, meaning your nutritional assessment questionnaire, all of those signs and symptoms, and we combine that with objective data, meaning your salivary pH as well as your heart rate, to really get to the personalized root causes that may be affecting your digestion and your nutrient deficiency. So it may just be the pause that you need in order to fully integrate everything that you're learning in holistic medicine. So thank you so much for joining in on this video, and like, share, subscribe. You already know what to do.